Hi students, about myself, my name is KVV Ganeswara, Department of Basic Science and Humanities. Today we discuss about the topic Green's theorem, that is integral transformations. Integral transformations, the relation between the line and surface integral, and line and volume integral, and surface and volume integral. Green's theorem, that is first integral transformations, these are in three types, that is Green's theorem and Stokes theorem and Gauss divergence theorem. Green's theorem like this, double integral and line integral. The line integral mdx plus ndy equals to surface integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy, and also Stokes and Gauss divergence theorem. Now Green's theorem states that the transformation between line and double integral statement R is a region in xy plane bounded by a simple closed curve C if m and n are two continuous functions x and y, and also it is derivable, then line integral mdx plus ndy equals to surface integral double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. That means it is an statement of the Green's theorem. Next we go for the next. Suppose we see the one example using Green's theorem, evaluate line integral 3x square minus 8y square mdx plus ndy, where C is bounded by the region y equals to C is the bounded by the region y equals to y equals to root x and y equals to x square. Y equals to root x represents a parabola and y equals to x square also represents a parabola. First of all, the region bound, first the given two curves, first we can find the intersecting of curves. Curve y equals to root x, y equals to root x represents a parabola. Squaring on both sides, y square is equal to x, y square equals to 4x represents a parabola, y equals to x square and x square equals to 4ay, it is also a represents a parabola. These two parabolas intersecting at the points, solving these two curves, we get x equals to x power 4. Substituting y in this equation, x square whole square x power 4 equals to x. Take out x, that is x cube minus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals, the values of x are x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. X equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Now calculate the point of intersection of these two curves. X equals to 0, we get y also x0. If x equals to 0, y is also x0, means substituting x0 in any one, we get y equals to also root 0 or 0 square. That is intersecting point 1, 0, 0. Next, x equals to 1, we get y also y equals to root 1, nth root of 1 equals to 1. Then the intersecting point is a of 1 comma 1. Then the given two curves intersecting at 0, 0 and a of 1 comma 1. Now 0, 0 and a of 1 comma 1. Now m equals to here, m equals to mdx plus ndy equals to surface integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. First we calculate line integral or surface integral. First one, surface integral means given curves m dx plus n dy. M equals to, here m equals to 3x square minus 8y square. Now differentiating partially with respect to y, that is keeping x is constant. That means differentiating with respect to y, x constant means keeping constant derivative 0, and 8 into y square, derivative of y square means 2y. 2 into 8, 2y into 8, 16y, minus 16y. Next we go for dou n by dou x. Differentiating partially on n with respect to x, that means keeping y is constant, constant derivative 0, y constant means 6y constant, separate from the differentiating, we get the differentiating of x is 1, that means 6y, minus 6y. Next one, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y means minus 6y plus 16y into dx dy, that is minus 10y into dx dy. 10y into dx dy. First we evaluate double integral. First we can find the limits of double integral. First integral integrating with respect to x. Next we go for the integrating with respect to y. That means the curve y equals to, curve is y equals to x square and y equals to root x. By change of order of integration, but now integrating 10y dx dy. First we observe the given two curves. Next we can find the limits, lower and upper limit, first integral limits and also second integral limits. That is given two curves, y equals to x square. This curve is y equals to x square. Y square equals to y square is equal to 4x, and y equals to root x. Y equals to root x, and next curve is y equals to x square. Now dx dy means by change of order of integration dy dx means strip is vertical strip. Vertical strip y equals to x square, below curve y equals to root x. Here y equals to root x, and this curve is y equals to x square. And y limits are x square to root x, and x limits equation of y-axis, equation of y-axis x equals to 0, intersecting point 1, 1. Parallel line x equals to 1. That means parallel to x-axis, that is x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. X limits are 0 to 1. Here x equals to 0 to 1, y equals to x square to root x. First integrating with respect to dy dx. Integrating with respect to, by order of change of integration dy dx, integrating with respect to y first. Next we go for the integrating with respect to x. Integral 10y dy. Integral 10y, that is 10 into integral y dy means y square by 2. That means applying the upper limit minus lower limit. Replacing y by root x and replacing y by x square. Root x whole square x minus x square whole square, x power 4 by 2. Cancel 2, 10 by 2 means 5. 5 into integral x equals to 0 to 1, x minus x power 4 dx. Next, after evaluate this integral x equals to 0 to 1, x minus x power 4 dx. Integral u plus v, integral u plus integral v. Integral x square by 2 minus integral x power 4, x power 5 by 5, using integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n equals to 1, n plus 1 means 2, here n equals to 4, n plus 1 equals to 5. by using Riemann integration, applying x equals to replacing x equals to 1 upper limit minus replacing x equals to 0 lower limit. X equals to 1, 1 square by 2 minus 1 power 5 by 5, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5, minus x equals to 0, 0 minus 0, 1 by 5 into, that is 5 into, take out LCM 10, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 by 10, 5 2 times cancel, that is 3 by 2. Double integral, surface integral, line integral mdx plus ndy equals to evaluation value 3 by 2. Next, see more another example. By using Green's theorem, find the area of arc. Arc means that is x equals to a into theta minus sin theta and y equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. The given curves, two curves involving in r and theta, then the curve given polar coordinates, in which polar coordinates theta lies between 0 to 2 pi and r means radius. Here these two curves are represented by cycloid. Find the area of this arc. Area means already we have the area of the arc formula 1 by 2 into line integral x dy minus y dx. Area of the arc is x dy minus y dx. Here x equals to a into 1 theta minus sin theta, and also y is a into 1 minus cos theta. Next, area a equals to replacing x means a into 1 minus sin theta dy, differentiating with respect to y. Dy means dy equals to a into 1 derivative 0 minus cos theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, minus into minus plus a sin theta d theta. Dx means differentiating with respect to x on both sides, that is x1 equals to a into 1 minus cos theta into d theta by dx. Therefore, dx equals to a into 1 minus cos theta d theta. Substituting these values in this formula, we get x dy minus y dx, and a into theta minus sin theta into dy means a sin theta d theta, minus y means a into 1, given that a into 1 minus cos theta into dx and a into 1 minus cos theta d theta. After simplification, we get a square into a square by 2 into integral limits 0 to 2 pi, given that theta lies between 0 to 2 pi, theta minus sin square theta. We cannot evaluation of integral sin square theta. Integral sin square theta means by using integral transformation, trigonometric transformation, sin square theta can be applied this formula 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Also cos square theta also, suppose that cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Substituting after simplification, we get a into theta sin theta minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus 1. Cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus into minus plus 2 cos theta d theta. Integral theta sin theta. Integral theta sin theta minus 1 by 2. Integral 1 by 2 means 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Integral cos 2 theta by 2 plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2 cancel. After that integration, we get minus 2 plus 2 cos theta theta. Now applying this integrating, integral theta sin theta by using integration by parts. Integration by parts, this is algebraic function and trigonometric function. By applying UV formula, u into first function is algebraic theta, u into integral v, integral sin theta means cos theta, minus integral derivative of theta 1, integral sin theta minus into minus plus sin theta into 1 cos theta. Integral of cos theta means sin theta minus 2 integral 2 theta. 2 cos theta integral 2 sin theta. Applying limits 0 to 2 pi. Replacing theta by 2 pi. Cos 2 pi minus 1 whole square plus 1. Sin 2 pi value 0. Next one 2 into 2 pi 4 pi. Sin 2 pi value 0. A square into minus 2 pi plus 0 minus 4 pi. That is minus 6 pi by 2 అంటే minus 3 pi a square. Area is modulus of minus 3 pi a square. Modulus means that is 3 pi a square square units.